In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments in Airtable. Airtable is a fantastic tool that blends the power of a database with the simplicity of a spreadsheet. Adding attachments to your Airtable records can really enhance the data you're working with, whether it's adding images, PDFs, or any other kind of file that complements your project. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the base in Airtable, where you want to add your attachments. Once you're in your chosen base, the first step is to identify the table where you'd like these attachments to live. You'll see your table with different columns, which in Airtable are referred to as fields. To add an attachment, you need to create a new field specifically for this purpose. At the top of the table, you'll notice a small plus sign. This is your starting point. Click on this plus sign to add a new field to your table. A menu will appear offering you various field types, but for our task, you'll want to select the attachment field. It's designed to store files and images, making it perfect for our needs. Once you've selected the attachment option, it's time to name your new field. This is an important step because it helps keep your table organized. A straightforward approach is to simply name it attachment. Clear, concise, and straight to the point. After you've named it, confirm your selection to add this field into your table. You'll now see this new column ready for use on your table. Now, you have your field set up, but how do we get files in there? Well, take a look at the new column you've just created. Click on an empty cell within this field. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an invitation to drop a file directly into this space, which is perfect if you've got files ready and waiting on your desktop. Simply drag your selected file over, and you'll see it populate in that cell in an instant. But what if you prefer a different method? No worries. Next to the empty space, there's a clip icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This opens a window